It's turnaround day on the Grand Princess, and the crew is getting ready for people who are boarding the ship now, and they're of course playing music really loud that I need to talk over. But there's the DJ set up, and they're setting up for music and trying to sell liquor packages, and the ship is almost empty of passengers, you see, because you know there's only about 30 of us that stayed on, and I guess they are all in their cabins or somewhere else. Maybe they're upstairs in the buffet, but anyway, well, or right there. But the ship is empty. This has changed. They're wearing different clothes.
Remember they said the containers were here?
Oh yeah. They've all got different outfits now. Or getting different outfits. So getting ready to go. Hi. Explorers Lounge, they're getting ready to advertise the game shows they have. You see that? And of course they're playing different loud music, but anyway, that's what happens on a turnaround day. You know, before you board the cruise ship, they're counting their liquor, setting up their stores, waiting for the mustard to happen. And he's still ducking under the doorways. So let's just sit down and relax. There, went through customs, and then we came out here. And on that side, there's hotels, Uber and Lyft, and on this side, LAX Airport. So all the way down. So your Uber can say I'm at 3, or I'm at 5, or I'm at 7. Of course, there's the Grand Princess right there. And that fountain is going to town. Let's go over there. Well, there's the ship and there's the terminal. We came out that door and walked by where the buses pick you up. And all the people dressed like... I love LA. Just started playing. So there's the front of the terminal building. That's where you get dropped off. But we came out that door on the end, walked down the buses. Of course, the Navigator of the Seas is in port today, as is the Grand Princess. And here's our first historical reference. So, Bay of Smokes becomes San Pedro. And of course, there's something you can read there. Shipbuilding and shipyards. Shipbuilding and shipyards. And if you look around, San Pedro, well, that's the battleship Iowa, and that's the battleship Navigator of the Seas. But you could see shipping containers, green shipping containers, all up in there. And this whole area is nothing but shipping containers and container ships. Well, this is the terminal when you get here around 1 o'clock. There is nobody here trying to get on the ship. Everybody's already on it, apparently. Let's wait till we get up to the top of this escalator. And she's waving. And it's just this many people. Thank you very much. We've got to go through X-ray, of course.
Hey! Hello guys, welcome aboard. Let's have a photo.
No, not today. Okay, we got to stop recording. So when you come early, there's hundreds or thousands of people sitting here. When you come around 1, There's nobody. And I mean nobody.
Oh, you have a
But the ship's here.
waiting for you guys.
And a good thing they did. Guess this is where we step off the gangway and onto the ship way.
Your room number is Aloha 243.
Thank you, Jared.
Yeah. And
Here we are in the piazza. And, well, we found everybody, didn't we? Or almost everybody. Here's a fire department, and those are fireboats, I think. There's a giant propeller there and a ship's wheel in case you want to practice. So here's berths 35 to 84, 85 to 86, ports of call. The ship is at berth, the Grand Princess is at berth 93, I believe. Fishing Industry Memorial. Henry Alvarez, I think, was the artist, the sculptor. And a big bullet. You see anything? Me neither. Well, this goes on, doesn't it? So this is from the USS New Jersey, a 16-inch 50 caliber gun barrel. American Merchant Marine Veterans Memorial Wall of Honor. And look at this. I want to show you some of the detail here. See that? Go just a little further, you can find the San Pedro Fish Market, West Harbor. There's a whale watching harbor cruise, and I believe this is the Maritime Museum, Los Angeles Maritime Museum, and their clock has the correct time. And if you need them, outhouses.